Well, it's March 14th, 2026. What does that mean? Well, that means we're in the week of the mighty Lytie Classic. For those who don't know, this is a challenge where you have to run in 1 week a virtual 5K, which is around 3 miles, a virtual 15K, which is 9.32 miles, and it culminates with an in-person half marathon in Northeast Green Bay on a very, very hilly course. So, right now, we're on about mile 6 of the 15K, and had to get it in because, as you know, we're about to get pelted with maybe 2 feet of snow. And how everything looks right now, this time tomorrow is gonna look much, much different. I won't be running in that. So after this, 5K this week, half marathon this weekend, we'll have our second Mighty Lytie Classic completed. So, yep, that's it. Figured I'd share. I'll show you guys how hilly that course is next weekend. All right, on that note, bye.